All right, so today what I'm going to do is show you how to draw a quick caricature picture of Lionel Messi. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my feature box. That box is going to give me the correct orientation of the face. That's pretty much the extent of my sketch. And then after that, I'm able to see, like, again, how the picture's going to kind of flow. I'll start with my eyebrows, and then I'll work with my eyes, generally giving myself like all eye direction and any type of emotion that I want my picture to convey. Like you can see in this picture, he's kind of looking off to the side, and he's curious about something over there. I don't know what it is, but I definitely want to capture that. No doubt it's all of his screaming fans he's happy for, right? Then I'll go to my nose shape here, and I'll add the bridge of my nose using the little hourglass shape in the middle of my feature box. From there, I'll work to my mouth shape and add the teeth shape in. And then I'm gonna kind of start penciling in my beard here. So I'm looking for that shape. Again, notice how I draw kind of like connected dots. So I want to put everything kind of around in the corners if I'm unsure of exactly what I want to draw. I'm not foolish. I won't just go in there and just start drawing something and not knowing where I want to go. So I'll give myself kind of anchor points for whatever feature I'm drawing if I ever encounter that situation. Now we're just doing the ear shape here. Once I'm satisfied that the ears are in place and at the correct distance apart that I want, which that's perfect based off of my feature box. Now it's kind of off to the races. I'll just start connecting my jawline in between those ear shapes. And then I'll go to my forehead shape here. All right, so now we're doing the upper hair shape. Again, this is me playing connect the dots. It might look like there's no method to the madness, but there's absolutely a method to the madness. Again, I'm just establishing where I want things to fit in between, and then I just kind of connect it all together. It's very similar to if you've ever seen any artists do gesture drawing. And what gesture drawing is when you have a pose of a body. Well, if you're not sure how to draw that body, what you want to do is get a general gesture. And that's usually done by, taking the extremities and putting the extremities where you want, and then connecting those extremities together. So I use that same kind of concept when I draw a caricature. So at this point, we don't need the box anymore. That's when I just kind of erase it out. I'm ready to go into the detailing part of the picture. So this is where I add shadows and dimensions to the picture. Obviously, to keep this video short, you'll see I'm using a gray marker, which is good. If you're going to be doing a black and white caricature, you can just get a black and white, a gray Crayola, because the Crayola pack usually comes with a gray and a black in there. So you can use those two markers and you can do this drawing. So there's no special markers for this drawing. These are markers you can get at any Walmart or Target. You can order them online. In fact, I have some in the description box below, and then also here, there's a link also inside of the video, so you can just press that little shopping button. And if you don't feel like going to the store to get them, they come in a box of like 12, so you can order a whole box of them, and they're excellent for doing caricature work because they can go to thick to thin very quickly. So I definitely thumbs up, recommend you to get you some Crayolas. That's all you need. So we're finishing up the picture here. All we're doing is just adding some last minute finishing touches. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to share if you enjoyed the content. Don't forget to share with other artists that you feel may benefit from drawing along with the browser. Have an awesome day.
Hello there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, you did? Well then, you see that subscribe button below? Push it. And after, push the bell icon next to it and select the all option. Then you will get notifications of all new uploaded videos and when I go live. Oh yeah. So thanks for watching and subscribing, and check out these other videos for more cool stuff. Have a great day and happy penciling.